a very good friend of mine who runs a big group down in the South Shore, well, kind of like Metro West of Boston. And
Have got get beasts.
he, yeah, no, the Beefs are on the North Shore. Yeah, so it was so funny because he's so like Boston and like direct, and he'd be like, "Ben, I would fire you in a second if every BDC manager didn't walk in here 150 grand a year." But they do, you know, especially in the big groups. They want to get paid. They should get paid, especially if they're doing everything the way I'm asking. It comes down to, is it cost effective? Is it affordable? Can you find a better solution, to get making sure that every single call that comes in gets called, texted, and emailed, and then followed up with happy people, right? That I mean, I can go on and on about what we've built, but the most important part for me, if you ask a dealer why they wouldn't consider outsourced BDC, one of the first things they're going to come out of their mouth, it just happened to me a few days ago, control. Right? And so, well, how much control do you have right now? Because I shopped your dealer and no one answered me. Or it took for a while, and I'm not, believe me when I tell you, there's a lot of good dealers out there doing a really good job. But the control part really cracks me up because we have a process. We focus on it. We have trainers. Like I said, my dad's part of a team of 5 that not only trains new hires, but sits with them. And we have team leaders on top of that are there for them when they're new, to keep them up to speed and to listen to their calls and to make sure that they're on point. And sure that we make mistakes, right? But that's what a BDC manager should be doing in the dealership. How much? You got to pay them.
Yeah.
Who would want to do that all day long for 1 or 2 or 5 dealerships? It's hard work. Believe me, I did it years. It's not easy. So we always laugh like when new companies pop up, and like, I just hope they don't give us and the people that have been around and really do a good job a bad name, because they just, learning the ropes. We've been doing this for 27 years. But I laugh because, like, man, go try and all of our marketing, Sean, going forward is going to be about my people. I mean, I got two of my top people in operations been with me 20 years. My head trainer has been with me 17 years. One of my client success directors has been with me 13 years. The other one's been with me 9. And there's 2 new ones that have been with us for like 3 or 4 years. But I have managers out in the BDC that have been with me for 10 to 15 years. Like, we're going to start promoting that, because when you talk about control, they're going to pick up the phone, and when we communicate every single opportunity to the desk as it happens.